In a world where your voice commands bring precision and convenience right at your fingertips, imagine that same ease and responsiveness when tackling your next big project. Hey Big Dog, I need the cheapest driveway dumpster available in Port Charlotte, Florida. Just like the intuitive voice control in the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, Big Dawg Dumpsters responds to your needs with unmatched efficiency. With just a simple call or visit to our website, you can command the delivery of the cheapest driveway dumpster in Port Charlotte, Florida, without lifting more than a finger. Whether it's a home remodel, landscape overhaul, or any project in between, our dumpsters stand ready to collect all your waste, effortlessly. Big Dawg Dumpsters prides itself on being responsive, just like your favorite voice-activated features, ensuring your project stays clean, efficient, and on track. So, why wait? Speak up for the cleanliness and efficiency your project deserves. Dial 743-244-3294 or visit www.bigdogfl.com to find out more about our cheapest driveway dumpster Port Charlotte, Florida offers. Big Dawg Dumpsters, your project's command center. Like the sophisticated voice control of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, Big Dawg Dumpsters brings a level of convenience and control to your disposal needs that's simply unmatched. It's not just about being the cheapest, it's about being the best for you, right when you need it.